Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I give myself an at-home blowout using my Revlon air dry brush. I love this thing, guys. I picked it from Amazon. I will go ahead and link it down below. It was only like $35, super inexpensive, and it gets the job done. Especially if you like to blow dry your hair or give yourself at-home blowouts. This thing makes it so easy, and honestly, it dries your hair in like the fraction of the time. I would highly recommend it. It has 3 different settings. It has a low, high, and a cool setting as well. A lot of comments of people saying that they also were interested in it. They didn't know how it worked and all this. So I was just gonna show you guys what I do to get my at-home blowout, to get sleek, straight, voluminous hair. I love how this hairstyle comes together. Super quick, and it's my go-to every time I wash my hair. So if you want to go ahead and see how I got this look, then let's go ahead and get started. To start off, I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair using my Monat Unknot Detangler, and I'm just going to spray a couple spritz in my hair. I love this thing, guys. So all I did was just get out of the shower, do my makeup, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the hair. I love the way this thing smells, and it detangles my hair so nicely. I'm like all about my hair ever since I started using Monat products. Like, I love to do my hair, and before it was like I hated doing my hair, but when you have like hair care products, you're like, oh, I want to use them. And you know, I've been seeing a lot of good changes in my hair. So yes, look how quick all that, and it didn't like make me like pull my hair. Like usually I'm like here for days. Let's go ahead and take care of this wet mop that I have going on and use this bad boy, because I'm telling you, it's been like super lifesaver. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and first section off my hair, and I'm just gonna do like right here above my ears and clip up your hair. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna be using the dryer on the high setting, and I'm just gonna run the brush up and down my hair, and you wanna run it forward and backwards. So you wanna just roll up the hair up to the crown like I'm doing, and then you can hold it there for a little bit and then bring it back down, and then just kind of repeat this process of going back and forth with the brush forward and backwards so you can dry the hair, and then roll it up so that you can style it and create that volume at the crown of the head. You just want to go ahead and repeat the process of running your brush up and down the hair, going backwards and forwards. It's pretty repetitive, but this is what gives you that sleekness and allows for the dryer to dry your hair into that little blowout look. So just continue to run your brush up and down and holding it near the crown to give you that volume, and also to dry the crown because that's where it tends to be the wettest. And then you just run your brush all the way down the crown up. I like my tips to be curled out. I like my hair to be away from my face, but you can definitely curl them in. Just gonna drop the rest. I don't have a lot of hair, so I'm just gonna drop the rest of my hair and brush it. Actually, this side, I'm gonna go ahead and clip it up. Once you get to the top of your head, you want to go ahead, and this is where you create the most volume by holding your hair up high. As you can see, I'm rolling the brush up, but I'm holding it at an angle, and I'm holding it near the crown to create that volume. Alrighty, we're at the last stretch right here, just pulling out that last piece. And now you just want to run the brush down your hair and then focus on the tips. And I like to brush them outwards. And add one more product to my hair. That we're going to be using Monat's split end mender. This is great for closing up your split ends. You can use this product wet or dry. And also this helps with adding some shine, take away a little bit of the frizziness. I'm just going to work it into the tips of my hands. And I'm just going to run it through the bottom where your split ends would normally be at. And then just kind of like drizzle the remainder on the top just to add that extra shine. Just run it through. But yeah, guys, this is my go-to at-home blowout. I am not a hairstylist, not by any means. This is just what I do to get my hair nice and dried and put together. This is like my at-home blowout. So nice, and I just love how sleek and straight it looks. Like, I love that it doesn't look like perfect, you know, like perfect, like pin straight. It still has like some volume and some depth to it. It's ready to go out and kill it, girl. Don't forget to click thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Click that notification bell. It'll notify you each time I upload a video. All right, guys, have a beautiful and blessed day. And like me and my girl say, bye.